Good morning, everyone. This is a continuation of my previous video. So here, uh, active listening techniques. So uh, to just adopt this active listening techniques, one has to be fully present. So how to be fully present? So active listening requires being fully present in the conversation. This enables the speaker or to you to concentrate on what is being said, being present. It also involves listening with all your senses, example, sight, sound, etc., and giving you full attention to the speaker. So, being fully present involves the skill of tuning into the other person's inner world while stepping away from your own. This is a powerful skill in deeply connecting and sitting with another's emotions, says Romanoff. So, our scientist, Romanoff. So, to use this active listening technique effectively, put away your cell phone, ignore distractions, avoid daydreaming, and shut down your internal dialogue. Place your focus on your conversation partner and let everything else slip away. So, this is a main important thing for techniques in active listening. So, here we have another different types of techniques like paraphrasing. So this is a very important type of a technique, even though in a research, not only in research, in speaking skills, listening skills, etc. So the purpose of this paraphrasing convey interest. It convey definitely it convey interest. Without interest, nobody can paraphrase. So encourage the speaker to keep talking. So long sentences definitely make us to skip the ideas. To paraphrasing helps you to convey and also encourage the speaker to keep talking a bit. And it restate the information just received with your own words. To achieve it, to achieve the purpose of it, you have to just restate the information just received with your own words. And for example, so you showed up at the meeting on time. So nobody is going to listen you for hours. So definitely this paraphrasing helps you to convey something which is very, very relevant to the listeners. So next comes your verbalizing emotions. So verbalizing emotions also play a very prominent role in the techniques of active listening, which show that you understand. Yes, you understand what the speaker is talking, and also help the speaker to evaluate their own feelings. And to achieve it, what you should do, reflect the speaker's basic feelings and emotions in words. So it is otherwise called as your empathy. And examples, this made you really angry. So here we are talking about emotions. So emotions also reflects the speaker's basic feeling, and also it converts the words into emotions. So these are the main techniques. Robertson has been explaining about more of this active listening techniques. So active listening requires being fully present in the conversation. This enables the speaker or the person to concentrate on what is being said. Being present involves listening with all your senses, like sight, sound, etc., and giving you full attention to the speaker. So, being fully present involves the skills of turning into the other person's inner world while stepping away from your own. This is a powerful skill in deeply connecting and sitting with another's emotion, says Romanoff. So, to use these active listening techniques effectively, put away your cell phone, ignore distractions, avoid daydreaming, and shut down all your internal dialogues. Place your focus on your conversation partner and let everything else slip away. So, this is the main concept to be fully present. So, we find a lot of passive listeners while we are conversing. So we couldn't able to understand who is the passive listener over there, because everybody are listening to you. Some people are daydreaming. They have some internal dialogues, so they are taken to another world of interaction. So here active listening technique fades. So we have a lot of other techniques listed with an example. So first comes our paraphrasing, which conveys a lot of interest to the person who speaks. Why? Because it encourages the speaker to keep talking throughout using this paraphrasing skills. And to achieve this paraphrasing skill, restate the information just received with your own words. So see, we have one particular word and we can paraphrase it with our own example. So this example, like, so you show up at the meeting on time. So the purpose of paraphrasing is that we get relevant information on time. So next comes our verbalizing emotions. So which show up that you understand what the speaker is trying to tell you, help the speaker to evaluate their own feelings, and also it reflects the speaker's basic feelings and emotions in words. And this made you really angry. So here, this example explains us about the empathizing nature of a person. So when the speaker is dictating about emotion of anger, the same feeling will be inheriting in us also. So here, asking. So when we are get asking something, it means that we are getting information. To ask a question also inherits that you are seeking an information, and you definitely get an information by asking questions. Uh, Summarizing. Next comes summarizing. So review progress, pull together important ideas, establish a basic for further discussion. So also restart major ideas, express your feelings. These seems to be a key ideas you have been expressed. So to clarify, finally, to clarify what is said, help the speaker see other points of view. Ask questions for vague statements. Restate wrong interpretations to force further explanations. You said that you reacted immediately, was still on the same day. So here we have some examples which explains the active listening technique, and also it helps you to clarify and summarize and also to ask questions. So we have five types of questions, five W's and one H. So these five W's and one H clarifies what the author tries to convey you. The message from the author clearly depicts the techniques of active listening. When you are tend to ask five W's and one H questions to the speaker, then it means that you have listened completely and you are not the passive listener. So if you really want to input lot of ideas, then you have to definitely participate in active listening. Stop your internal conversation and concentrate more on active listening, which brings you a lot of success and knowledge. Thank you.